In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a 1-month free trial on Skillshare. Whether you're looking to explore new topics, delve into creative projects, or enhance your professional skills, Skillshare offers a vast array of classes that cater to diverse interests. The trial gives you full access to their premium content without any upfront cost for 30 days, giving you the perfect opportunity to explore and decide if the platform suits your needs. After you've successfully entered your email address and password, the next step is to add your payment details. While it may feel a bit concerning to provide this information up front, rest assured that Skillshare won't charge you until your trial period ends. Let's blur out those sensitive card details for security's sake and move forward with ease of mind. Now, after inputting your payment information, you'll notice that this step is crucial for a seamless sign-up process. It's important to note that the company uses these details to verify your account and facilitate a smooth transition should you choose to continue using their service after the trial ends. Upon completing the registration process, you'll be redirected to a page titled Add Payment Method. Here, you'll need to enter your banking or financial details. Keep in mind, as indicated on this page, you will not be charged until 30 days following your registration date. If, for instance, you decide to opt out before the 30-day period concludes, you can do so at any time and you won't incur any charges. For reference, let's consider today's date as September 5th. This means that your free trial expires on October 6th, 2025, assuming this video was recorded today. Remember, the purpose of this information is to ensure a smooth user experience, should you choose to continue enjoying Skillshare's offerings post-trial. After your payment details have been confirmed, you'll find the Start Your 31-Day Free Trial button prominently displayed on the screen. A simple click on this button will activate your free trial, granting you immediate access to Skillshare's extensive library of courses. Remember, setting a reminder to review your subscription status a few days before the trial ends can be a smart move. This way, you can decide whether to continue with a paid membership without any last-minute rush or unexpected charges. In just a few straightforward steps, you can dive into countless classes, tutorials, and workshops that may spark new ideas or help you fine-tune your skills. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you embark on an enlightening journey with your Skillshare trial. Enjoy exploring.